All right, so I want to give you a little help with grammar lesson 5. This should be the worksheet you have. Now the lesson has to do with verb agreement, so subject-verb agreement, when the subject is an indefinite pronoun. Now you know what a pronoun is. He, she, it, they, we. An indefinite pronoun are pronouns like many, everyone, anybody, someone. And the tricky part is that indefinite pronoun singular or plural? So I'm going to do the first 5 with you, and hopefully that will help you out. So let's look at number 1. Anybody with an interest in canoeing have probably heard of John McGregor. Now the first thing you should do is say it aloud. Does it sound right? Anybody with an interest in canoeing have probably heard of John McGregor. If your ear is tuned into English, that didn't sound right to you. And the reason it's not right is because our subject, anybody, is an indefinite pronoun. Anybody. Does that mean everybody? Or is anybody singular? Yes, anybody is singular. Any one body, one body. So anybody have or anybody has. Okay, so that's why it sounded funny, because it should be has. Anybody with an interest in canoeing has probably heard of John McGregor. Sounds better, right? Okay, so we're looking at subject, verb agreement with indefinite pronouns. Let's look at number 2. Many considers him the founder of modern canoeing. Did it sound right? Many considers him the founder of modern canoeing. Doesn't sound right. Now here's our indefinite pronoun, and here is as our subject, and here's our verb. Many considers or many consider. Okay, so many is singular or plural. Right, it's definitely plural. Many people, plural. So they, I like to substitute for a definite pronoun. They considers or they consider. Right, so we're going to get rid of the S. Oops. Get rid of the S only. Sorry. Okay. Many consider him the founder of modern canoeing. All right, let's look at number 3. Someone, there's my indefinite pronoun. Someone as talented as McGregor often excel in many areas. So someone, singular or plural? Someone, okay? Someone, there's my subject. Here's my predicate or my verb, subject, verb, right? Excel. So if I said for one person, okay, one person excel. No, I would say one person excels. Okay, a person excels. So that's what we need to do. Excels. Now listen how it sounds. Someone as talented as McGregor often excels in many areas. And now you have subject-verb agreement. Okay, let's look at the last one together. Well, the last one I'm going to do with you. One of McGregor's accomplishments were the design and construction of the double paddle sailing canoe. Okay, so our indefinite pronoun is one. All right. Does that seem singular or plural to you? That's right. It sounds singular. One. For one. One was. 2 were. Right? So subject-verb agreement. Were does not agree with one. So one was. One of McGregor's accomplishments was, that's a W, the design and construction of the double paddle, etc. So we're looking for subject-verb agreement. With indefinite pronouns, you need to ask yourself, be clear, is it singular or is it plural? All right.